Yo, what's up everybody? It's Kalyan Digital and we're back again with another video. This time, we're diving deep into the world of data visualization. Now you might be thinking, data visualization? Sounds kind of boring. But trust me on this one, guys, this is some seriously powerful stuff. We're talking about tools that can take mountains of data, and I mean mountains, and turn them into sleek charts, graphs, and interactive dashboards that even your grandma could understand. We're talking about unlocking insights, seeing patterns, and making better decisions, all with the power of visuals. So whether you're a data scientist, a marketer, a student, or just someone who wants to make sense of the world around them, you've got to check this out. Stick around as we break down some of the hottest data visualization tools out there. First up, we've got Tableau. This is like the gold standard, the heavyweight champ of data visualization. Seriously, it's used by major players across industries, and for good reason. Tableau is all about drag, drop, and visualize. It's super intuitive, even if you're not a coding wizard. You can connect to a ton of different data sources, build interactive dashboards that'll blow your mind, and share your insights with anyone, anywhere. And the best part, it just looks amazing. We're talking high-quality, presentation-ready visuals that'll impress even the toughest client. So if you're serious about data viz, Tableau is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we've got Matplotlib. Now, this one's for all my Python fans out there. If you're comfortable with coding, Matplotlib gives you insane flexibility and control over your visualizations. We're talking about creating everything from basic line plots and scatter plots to complex three-dimensional visualizations and heat maps. And don't even get me started on the customization options. You can tweak every little detail, from colors and fonts to axis labels and legends. The possibilities are literally endless. So if you're looking for a powerful, versatile tool that integrates seamlessly with your Python workflow, Matplotlib is the way to go. All right, moving on to Sisense. This one's all about cloud-based analytics. So if you're looking for a tool that's accessible from anywhere, this is it. Sisense makes it super easy to connect to all your data sources, whether it's in the cloud or on-premise. And just like Tableau, it's got a really user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. But what sets Sisense apart is its focus on collaboration. You can easily share dashboards and reports with your team, and even embed them into other applications. So if you're all about that cloud life and working together seamlessly, Sisense is definitely worth a look. Last but not least, we've got Gephi. Now, this one's a bit more niche, but it's super powerful for a specific purpose network analysis. We're talking about visualizing relationships and connections within massive data sets. Think social networks, financial transactions, or even biological systems. Gephi's open source and completely free to use, which is always a plus. It's got some seriously advanced algorithms for analyzing and laying out complex networks. So if you're dealing with network data and need a tool that can handle the complexity, Gephi is your new best friend. So there you have it, guys. Those are just a few of the amazing data visualization tools out there. From creating stunning dashboards to uncovering hidden patterns in your data, these tools can seriously level up your game. The best part? A lot of them offer free trials or free versions, so you can test them out before committing. So what are you waiting for? Go explore, experiment, and let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try out. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button for more tech breakdowns and data-driven goodness. Peace out.